this mele, now we into our hula awana, we like to feature the grace and the beauty of our aina. So we feel that with the boys opening with that warrior chant, we can also be very graceful and the loving, the aloha that we have as people, Hawaiian people. So this mele talks about a very famous part of Moku o Keawe. It talks about the different elements and the places of Kohala. At this time, we'd like to aloha our kupuna of Kohala to the kupuna of Molokai in this mele entitled Aloha e Kohala.
Iuka e ka nani a o pololu Lulu e ka hua o ka hala ula Aia ka makani Aloha e Kohala Kuone hana ue Nā vai